we're going to talk about the hook strikes. Okay, so this is the close distance one. Claudio, borrow you for a second. When we have medium distance for striking here, hooks are not efficient from here, so I need to get closer. But closer, that means I'm not leaning, trying to reach. I have to step closer, both feet. And then from this position, I can attack him or lower body into this. I can put those strikes into his body from that distance, okay? So thank you very much. So as for the hooks, if you look at me from the front, if I want to use the front hand, it's going to do circular motion, but it's not dropping, it's not opening. I just take it purely from there, but micro movement of my body to the left, come back with rotation. Again, that means if your balance is divided, so then it's going to work very nicely for you because you can take the weight from the front leg, which needs to rotate. If your balance is forward, I cannot move this. So make sure when you're performing hooks, one, for the right, I transfer balance forward to this leg, so I can rotate this one. Otherwise, it's not going to work, and you will have this, which is not good. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and come back to the central position. 1, 2, come back to the central position.